Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. We are starting at the end today. The audio from the intro telling you what we were gonna do is all screwed up. So anyways, as you'll see here quickly, we mount the brake caliper and bleed the brakes, but also I wired in the torque converter control wire. So whenever you hit the brakes while you're driving and the converter's in lockup, it will go ahead and unlock the converter so it's easier to drive, or when you go to pass or something like that, right? So let's get started. Alrighty, so my thought on this is to basically, I'll put the old bolt in the top, get it to lock in. I'll put one of the new ones on the bottom. And we'll do that on both sides. All right, so the caliper is on. Now we're just verifying the fittings fit. That one fits there. This one fits here. Now we need to make our line that'll connect these. Okay, so I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna use some spent welding wire here. See if we can make a design. It doesn't match up like I want it, but it matches up where it counts. So let's go put it on. Alrighty, so like I said a while ago, it fits where it counts. So it's both of those. Now it's time to flare it and put the bits on. Well, got it flared on there, fits well. Now to figure out how to do this end, because I didn't put the fitting on, then put the fitting on, flare it, and then bend it. So I don't know, because that ain't enough. All right, guys. Sorry, I didn't get that piece done or recorded, but we are ready now, and so I'm gonna go put it in and start kind of figuring out how I'm gonna rebend this side here to fit in. All right, guys, so we got it in here, so I'm trying to figure out where I need to start bending it, and I think it's probably right in this little area here. We'll start with a 90. Kind of going this way so we can get it in there. guys. Had to come out of my glove, but we got it in there. Now it's time to tighten them up. So that's exciting. Now it's time to start bleeding them here in a minute. Alright guys, that's it. Tonight was awesome. To be so close on Elsie, I really don't know what to do. It's very weird having it being this close. I mean, I'm gonna think over the weekend, make sure I've crossed all the lines off of our roadkill list and everything. But I really feel like, save for a little bit of touch up on the brake bleeding, I think we may be there on Elsie. It's really weird, a weird feeling. I'm almost nervous. I want to make sure I didn't forget something. So anyways, gonna kick it around over the weekend, make sure I got all the stuff, have Steven give it a once over, look at everything. And anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming.